everyone, I am Liying and I'm actually here today at Sake Central. The thing is, we're not going to be talking about sake today, but something that is actually similar to sake, which is all about the art of living, and that is tea. So tea has actually gone up and surged in popularity over the years, from matcha to oolong to tie guanyin. Sometimes it gets quite confusing about how we're going to drink it, how many times should we steep it, what's a good tea, should we drink it from a tea bag or straight from a teapot. So we're here today with Gaï, our tea connoisseur and also co-founder of Inari Tea. He will be debunking all of the tea myths and also explaining to us and showing us how to enjoy tea in a simple and beautiful way.
I kind of started to drink tea the Western way at the beginning, serving very few tea leaves in my teapot and brewing quite a long time, something like 3 to 5 minutes. But the more and more and more, I go more to the Chinese way, which is multiple steeping. And I think it's better because it helps to really express all the aroma of the tea leaves. We're going to start with a Cuifeng medium.
Okay.
It's made by Shiwei, and he's our partner from the collaborative. He's doing this tea. So we're going to brew 5 grams right now. So I like to measure it because I like to find a pattern. For the Western way, let's say for 200 ml, 236 ml actually, we use 1.5 to 2 grams. And for the multiple steeping way, it's around 5 grams for the same quantity of water. And we will start first to warm the teapot. It's around 90 degrees water. And why we warm the teapot is because when you pour hot water from the kettle to the teapot, you lose more or less 10 degrees. Green tea is more sensitive and less oxidized than the black tea, so you don't need such a long time to get the tea completely steeped and the tea release all its properties. You have different kind of technique of steeping. You can steep it cold, and it's really amazing. The most common way is to drink it with a very not too hot temperature. Let's say something around 50 degrees Celsius. The usual quantity is 2 generous spoons of matcha powder.
Okay.
And we do it in 2 steps. The first step is to pour a little bit and to kind of dilute the powder and do it with a zigzag.
Okay.
And after you kind of diluted the powder, you pour for 1/3 of this bowl, and then you use the whisk to make it creamy by doing a sort of W back and forth. And then you see the cream coming very quickly. You do it for around 30 seconds, and you can see how creamy is this. So here you can see this beautiful sencha, and it's true that what is the common point with the Japanese green tea is their colors, what I noticed, and this one is extremely greenish, yellowish, so very bright color, and you can
vibrant.
taste now. Yeah, it's deep, strong, very different.
Yeah.
It goes deep into the palate, and you can feel so many different kind of aroma. And what is a great thing, especially with the oolong, after multiple steeping, and I guess this tea you can steep it more than 5 to 6 times, actually I tried. Every time you have a different aroma. Usually with the oolong we don't really need a filter, but then if you want to really have no particles, it's always good to have a filter. And then you can enjoy this beautiful oolong tea. You can feel how flavorful is this tea, how subtle, delicate, creamy.
I like it.
Yeah. So now I think the gyokuro is ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah, we didn't really wait too
Very
long.
Excited.
Wow.
Already you can tell.
And then you understand why it's so renowned. I think I want another one. What do you think?
Yes, please. It's very addictive. I do
It's
have to say,
addictive.
yeah. Thank you so much for being with us, Gaï. I've learned so much. I feel like I've traveled all through across the continents, today with you and learning how to appreciate tea in a very simple and fun way.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Well, thank you, and I hope you have learned something. Comment below if you have any thoughts or questions, and we will see you next time.